Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, kind of a dark gray color. It looks awesome. You do have the Laramie grille up front in the chrome with that accent. It looks awesome. You do have the tow hooks down there as well with your chrome bumper, and they do have your parking sensors right there as well. You do have bifunction projector style headlights right there and your fog lights just down there as well. And coming around the side here we do have 18-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. I really like those rims, they look very cool, and you do also have a lot of tread left on them. You do have your running boards along the bottom, and you do also have heated exterior tow mirrors, also in the chrome, with your turning signals on them. You can push those up just like that, and you got even more, you can see even farther back. Helps when you are towing things, of course. And coming all the way to the back here, we do have a 6-foot box, lots of room back here. You got your chrome bumper back here with the parking sensors as well, and you do have your backup camera and your Laramie badging. Open this guy up, lots of room back here as well. It does have the box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here while you're hauling it. Okay, let's unlock here. So we got 2 presses to unlock all the doors. You got 1 press to lock them, and you do got 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter. You won't have to go outside in the cold and the snow and be all gross. It'll get nice and toasty for you inside. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Plus this guy does bring in your mirrors, which is very handy. Got a bit of chrome accent in here, and you do have a wood finish along the top here. Plus you have your Ram logo with a handle here, some storage here, and some more down here. You got lots of room in here. It is a very spacious interior. The leather looks awesome. You do have the Laramie logo right there, and you do have the electronic seats here, so back and forth, as well as the tilt, the lumbar support, and the seat memory all right there. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as you press it in for your fog lights, and your interior lights are just down there. And then down here up here we have our control over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. In the center here we have all sorts of different stuff. So we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge, we have our engine temperature, we have our oil, we also have our exhaust brake there. Now in the center it does tell us what station we're on. It tells us the temperature outside, the liters per 100 kilometers, and how many kilometers we have. Only 24,000, not very many. Now you can switch that around to your speedometer. You have your vehicle info, you get your fuel economy, your trip A and trip B, as well as your trailer tow, your audio, and your stored messages, and then you can go to your screen setup, of course. And then you got that all control from right here with your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. And around the back of the steering wheel right here we do have a volume up and down, as well as a source changer, and on the other side there is an identical one that controls your channel. Now this guy is our gear shift, and when we are in reverse we do have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping us nice and safe. Now we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM, as well as we have our media if we have one hooked up through disc, USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Then you have your controls of your heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, and then your mirror dimmer, backup camera, and your settings. Then in here you have your Uconnect apps. In here you do have your climate control, so it is a dual climate for you and your passenger, so you guys can have different levels of heat or cold. Then you got your off if you did want it off, and then you also have your phone options right here if you did want to hook one up through Bluetooth. And then down here we do have the controls over our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low. And then right over here we have all sorts of different things. So we do have a volume up and down with our mute, our screen off, our hazard lights, back button, and then our browser over there. You have your AC and circulation, heat up and down, off, auto, the power here, and the front and rear defrost. And then down here we do have our trailer brake. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brakes, front and rear park assist. Then you have your heated and vented seats and your heated steering wheel, as well as the same for the other side, or passenger side, sorry. And then you have your plug-in here with some storage, another plug-in over here, another one over here, and some additional storage just in there. Got some more down there. And then you do have your armrest here with 3 cup holders, and you do have some additional space right in here. So you have this guy, which is a coin holder, and then over here we do have a USB and an aux cord plug-in. And then we can lift this guy up right here, And we got another seat underneath, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then you can also lift that up, and there is your CD player hanging out just under there. And then over here we do have our top layer glove box, and our bottom layer right there with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top here we do have the control of the little window in the back, and this guy is the universal garage door opener. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have that same chrome accenting with the controls over your windows here. Let's focus a little bit better. There we go. And then we also have that same wood accenting up here, a handle here, some storage down here, and more right down here. Very nice back here. It is a crew cab, as I said, so you do have lots and lots of room for your passengers. Easily you can fit the 6 people back here. You can also fold this down just like that, and you have some armrest and a cup holder there. And then we also have these seats that are the leather as well. You can fold these guys up, and you do have some storage just underneath there. You do have a few things in here. You can lift that up. You got stuff under there. There is a subwoofer on the other side to blast your music. It does also come with 9 Alpine speakers. They sound fantastic. Now you can lift this guy up, and there is some room just underneath there. You can keep it flat, and then you can put something on top of it. You can do the same with the other side, and you got lots and lots of room. Then you can also lift these guys up, and you got some additional storage just underneath there. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.